This video you're watching is mainly for 5 categories of people. If you know you don't belong to any part of this, you don't need to watch this video to the end. I don't want to waste your time, I don't want to waste your data, but I want this category of people to give me their full attention. Number 1 of it, if you have been struggling to open US bank account. Number 2, if you have been struggling with file tax return. Number 3, if you have been struggling to apply for the credit card. Number 4, I know many of you belong to this aspect. If you have problem with PayPal account, you want to open PayPal account, it has been a serious problem for you. Solution is here in this video. Number 5, if you have problem of opening Stripe account, you have been looking for possible means to open Stripe account. Solution is here in this video. That means you need to give me your full attention. That is 5. If you belong to this category, that is people that have business to do with US, their income is basically from US, or you have something to do with United States of America. Either you are freelancer, or you are into remote job, or you are doing one business or the other whereby you are getting income from United States of America. You need this video. I have solution to your challenges, and one important thing that every one of you, that is if you belong to this category, is what we call ITIN. Many will be asking, like, what is ITIN? ITIN is individual tax payable identification number. It's just a 9-digit number. Don't forget, I want to give you solution. That is why you need to give me your full attention. So it's just a 9-digit number, and this is the basic challenge that will make many of you not to able to have this category of things I listed, and that is why you need to give me your full attention. ITIN have 9-digit number. It's just similar to what SSN. If you know SSN, it's similar to SSN. ITIN and SSN are just almost the same thing, but the basic difference is that you that are non-resident of United States are the one having ITIN. You are not the one using SSN. Non-resident of United States that are doing businesses that depend on United States of America for their income are the one that are using ITIN. So when you are filling forms for some of these things I'm talking about now, and you get to the stage whereby they say you need to provide your SSN number, now you can use what we call ITIN in place of SSN, that is for non-resident of United States of America. And that is why I say you should give me your full attention, because I'm going to give you a solution. Please, before I move further on this, if you are very new to my YouTube channel, what you can do to encourage me and to appreciate my effort is to hit that subscribe button right now. Give me a like on this video and drop your comments. Then share this video, because many people will be blessed through you. And if you are watching me from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please follow my page, give me a like on this video, drop your comment as usual, and share this video. So now let's talk about how to apply for ITIN, because this is what you need to get some of these things I'm talking about now. How do we apply for ITIN? Because when you apply and have it, you're able to get these 5 categories I told you about now. You're able to have it and or get solution to those things. So if you want to have ITIN or you want to apply for it, you need 3 important things. Number 1 of it is US company. Number 2 is what we call employer identification number, that is EIN. Then number 3, you need a scanned copy of your passport. This is a sample of ITIN. You can see Department of the Treasury, IRS, individual taxpayer identification number, that is ITIN. Now look at it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It's just 9-digit numbers. So this is how it looks like. So because of novice among us watching this video now, I need to go practical so that many of you will also understand why we need ITIN. Now you can see this is a preview of Amazon. For instance, now they ask you, look at it now, look at the option given you. I have a US TIN, I have a foreign non-US income tax identification number. I have both US TIN and a foreign non-US income tax identification number. I do not have a US TIN or a foreign income tax identification number that is non-US. Now when you have to tick this one now. If you tick this one now look at this now, confirm your US taxpayer status. So they will ask for either SSN or what, ITIN. So if you have this ITIN now, you are free to do anything to enjoy your business online. This is eBay. Provide details to get paid. This eBay also now requests for you to have what to call ITIN. You see now, they say put your date of birth, then social security number or ITIN. This also needed if you want to run business on eBay. You have to provide it there. This is paper. Look at it. They say please provide the last 4 digits of your SSN, which you can put your ITIN also, you can put it there. Now look at it here, SSN or ITIN document. You can now upload upload it from here now. You can see upload document, photo ID, address document, SSN or ITIN document. Are you guys not seeing it? I'm showing you all these things now so that you can see how valuable it is for you to have ITIN we are talking about now. Before you will stress yourself doing many things online and whereby you just stuck somewhere like what is SSN, how will I get ITIN? That's why I'm just showing some of these things now. We are headed towards the solution, guys. Please, I just have to educate you before I now tell you the solution. Now when you click on SSN or ITIN document, now look at where it will land you now. Type in your 9-digit social security number or ITIN. Also, if you put it there, it will work. Now look at it now. Look at it now. Upload document, SSN or ITIN document. Type it here, social security number or SSN. If you want to file or pay US taxes now, I want to show you this another place where you will need it, and it's very important. Look at this now. Social security number or ITIN. I believe you know the importance of having ITIN for your businesses. You want to open US bank accounts, tax refund, you want to have credit card, paper is your problem, Stripe is your challenge, you want to have all these things is a big challenge, but you know that you can get everything done within just 48 hours. Normally, if you want to apply for ITIN, it will take within 8 to 14 weeks. If you want to apply for ITIN, within 8 to 14 weeks take, but we still have some company that handle this thing for you, that can do it. So from my own research now, I have one website, or let me say company or a body or organization that handle this thing for everyone, especially non-US resident. Either you are from Nigeria, you are from Ghana, you are from South Africa, you are from any part of Africa countries or anywhere in the world. You need ITIN, you need paper accounts, you need Stripe accounts, you want to have a US company, anything you want to have regarding some of these things I'm talking about, these 5 categories, this body or organization, that is their own major concern. They will handle this thing for you and make it done. Both filing and documentation, everything you need, they will handle it for you within 48 hours. Within 48 hours, which means within 2 days, they will help you arrange some of these things. You know, some of these things you have to document this thing very well before you will submit it for IRS for approval. And you now, you are not in outside country, you are not in US, you don't know anything about this. There are some people that is their own area of specialization. They are experts in this field. They will do it for you. If you want to go now with the one I want to recommend for you, just check the pinned comments. I will drop their link there. So now when they handle this thing now for you within 48 hours, they will help you to submit it to IRS body. When they submit it to IRS, no one can determine when they will approve it or when you will get results. Nobody can determine that. And that is why you need to, if you really need this thing, you really need it, you need to start. You need to start applying now. As from now, you have to take it serious and apply as soon as possible right now. If you have interest, I will drop the link in my comment section or description to this video. If you are watching me from Facebook or anywhere, just check the comment section. I will put it there, or in the description to this video, I'll put the link there for you. So here is their website. This is the ITIN. What they do is just to help you handle everything that has to do with getting the US bank account, file taxes, open paper and Stripe. They will help you do everything. This is ITIN simplified for non-US residents. You can click on apply button from here, apply for an ITIN from here. As of now, when I'm making this video, their website have over 4,000 monthly visits from Egypt, followed by Algeria, Philippines, United States and Pakistan and so on. So you can click on this apply for an ITIN from here, or before you apply, just check this process first, how it works. Start your simple application and choose the feature you need. Comprehensive offers, whether it's just applying for an ITIN or maybe you need other US formation service. Either way, pick everything you need from all the offers. The biggest challenges and needs that a non-American typically require with are all included below: ITIN, LSC plus EIN plus address, US VPS, US SIM card, US tax consultation cost free, US bank account free, US paper setup free, US Stripe setup free. Get access to the portal and track your progress, so you can see everything. They even put everything here for you to track. Just read further about this. Now let's go to the pricing, or from here also, this is the home page. You can click on apply for an ITIN from here. Great, it still leads you to the pricing. We are here for your business in the United States. Start now. ITIN application $348. That is one-time fee. Their price is the cheapest. If you go online and do research based on some other organization that handle this, they will charge you within average of 400, 500 and above for this service, and you are charged how much? Let me check again. $348. That is not all. Good information I want to give you you as my fans. If you want to subscribe to this service now, you want to pay for this service, you can get coupon $50 off from this price. $50 off coupon from this side. If you want to use it, you can use my name. Just put Dairo in the place of coupon. Just put Dairo there. Put Dairo there. This will give you $50 off. From how much? $348. Now minus $348 from $50. That which means you have to pay just small amounts of money with this, a lot of benefits online. I think you have to clap for me. You need to clap for me because I really tried for you guys. So $348 now. Don't forget minus $50. That is if you use my coupon code, which is Dairo. If you use it, that is minus it from this $348. So you're able to get your US bank account consultation, 30 minutes kick-off call, Stripe and PayPal consultation, which means they will help you get our guidance and support to open your PayPal and Stripe account the right way. Minimize chances of rejection and any issues. Fully online process. Unlike many other ITIN provider, our process is 100% online without you having to shipping any document to the US. 100% online and fast application without any surprise fees. So don't forget, this is $348, right? Now let's scroll down. If you want to add more service to it, you can tick this one, but before you tick on, just come down. Let's see the balance. You see $348, which means this is the price for this service. All this service is what total for you $348. So you can click on add cart, and if you have something more, you can check through. Okay, after ITIN application, which is $348, you can still check through LLC plus EIN plus business address plus something $298, whatever. You can this one if you have interest in something like this. All this one, if you have interest, add it to it. You can tick it. Oh great. Now see state, select option. Now look at all this one here. If you want to LLC for, is it Delaware or whatever, Arizona, California, anywhere, just let me pick any one. Okay, I pick Georgia here. So subtotal is $448. Let me go and check it here. Add it to it. It's now $796. Still have more you want to add to this, maybe USPS. You can tick this one now. Add it to it. Now $994. You see, I hope you guys are following, but let me just leave it by default, like you don't have any other things to add. This just only ITIN application. $348, which is $348. Now come here, $348. Now just click on add to cart. You see this place, chat with us. You can also connect with the customer support here. Just click on chat with us here. You can connect with them. All right, we have added this to cart now. This is $348. Okay, now let's practicalize the coupon code I told you about. So have a promotional code. You can put my own promotional code here with Dairo. So let me add to it. Don't forget, this is $348, right? Let's see if there will be change. So here now I will type Dairo here. Okay, this is Dairo, right? I will now click on apply coupon. Oh great, now look at it. Now when I apply coupon, now look at it, it is now $298. So this is 50% off, now $298. That is what I'm trying to tell you now. So you can click on update cart, or since you have concluded to buy this one, and just click on proceed checkout. Now from here, let's fill up this customer information. Put your first name, your last name, which is your surname, company name is optional, then country or region, just put it here, street address, just fill everything possible. You fill it. Some of these things you see they put asterisk, they are compulsory for you to fill it, cannot just skip it. So after filling everything, guys, then see this is what you want by ITIN application. That's so $348, and after putting my coupon code Dairo, resorted to $298. So you have to pay $298 now. Now you put your card here, credit or debit card, put it here. That is how many digit numbers they put it here, expiring date, security code, put it here. Then save payment information to my account, future purchases optional. Then click on place order. And meanwhile, if you want to change currency, you have option to change currency. It's not compulsory for you to pay in US dollars. You can change currency to United Arab Emirates dirham, Argentine pesos, and so on. Just read through it. There are many, all 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. They even have Nigerian naira here. So when I put Nigerian naira here, it's reloaded and gave me this total. So if you still put another currency there now to load, let me put India rupee here. Oh, see now. So load and give you that currency. Then you can pay with your local bank card or whatever ATM card you have to make payments online. Then click on place order. After filling the whole information, click on place order. Their customer support, they are just excellent. Even if you need Spanish language assistance, they are there for you. They have, what's the name, Daniela. We handle this for you. So don't worry, is it English, is it Spanish language assistant you want? Everything will be handled for you. They are always online to help you with your request. So if you are looking for means to apply for this, don't forget, I'll put the link link in the pinned comment or description to this video. And coupon code, don't forget, because it's very important for you, is Dairo. That will give you 50% off from anything you buy from there. That is the service. So guys, thanks for watching. Do not hesitate to hit subscribe button and give me a like on this video, and do not forget to turn up the notification bell, because I still have many more things. If I into remote job, you used to do remote job, don't forget you need this thing I'm talking about: PayPal, Stripe, open US bank account, and many more. For many of you that used to come to me, please, I'm from this country, I'm not talking about how we can do our own. I have given you solution I have today. Check the pinned comments or description to this video, click that link, and do not forget my coupon code Dairo. That will give you $50 off from your money. $50 off from your money. Do you have interest in remote job opportunities? Go and watch this video. I reserved this video for you, only you. Thank you guys for your love and for your patience. See you guys in my next videos.